Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a football player. So hope you get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our football player, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come across for the top of the helmet. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. Then I'm going to bring this line out and up. Same thing here, we're going to go out and then we're going to bring it up. Then I'm going to make lines just going to curve up and down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. And one more that's going to come down and up. Next, right here, we're going to draw a line across. And another line across. And I'm going to put two lines that come down on each side. Inside of here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. And then another circle for an eye. And I'm going to put two little black dots in here with a little curved line for the nose. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes across and a little smile with a little line for the tongue. And then you can just color in this part. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, it's going to go over and then down. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. And then we're going to put them in kind of like a running pose. So I'm going to start here by drawing a little line that's going to come down. It's going to come over and then up. Right here, we'll draw a line that comes over, and then we're going to bring it down. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and in. And then a line here that's going to come down. And another one's going to come in and down. I want to make a little rectangle shape here. And then right here we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. And I'll make a line that's going to come out and back. And then we'll make a couple more little fingers here. Then we want to draw the football. So I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And a little line that's going to come down and then back up here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to bring this over and then back up. Right here, I'm going to make a line that comes out. We're going to go down, and then we're going to bring it in. I'm going to make another little rectangle shape. And I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down with a little curved line. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and down, up and down, up and down, and then we're going to curve it around with a little line across. Now, starting here, let's draw the legs. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come down again. I'm going to bring it over and then in. Right here, I'm going to bring this line up and down. We're going to come over and then up. And I'll make a little line in. Make a line that's going to go over, it's going to come down and in. Another one's going to go down, over, and up. We're going to make kind of like an oval shape over here for the foot. And then we'll make kind of like another oval shape that's going to be a little bit flatter at the bottom. Then I'm going to add some little spikes at the bottom for the cleats. And we'll add a little line that comes across for the bottom of the shoe. I'm going to draw a line that comes up for the pants, and then another line right in the middle of it. Then I'm going to draw a line here, and a line up here. Then I'm going to make another line, and another one here, and we'll make two more that come up. Make a line that comes down and up. We'll make a little rectangle up here, and then we'll make two lines here, and then two more lines in the middle. Then I'll make two little lines on the side here. Right here, we'll add two curved lines onto the football, and then one line there. And there you go, there is your drawing of a football player. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.